The 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.